What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add social media icons into your WordPress pages using Elementor free WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials so you can be able to see a page almost like this one. And when you're here, you are ready to go. Go back to the page that you wish to edit. In my case, it's going to be this contact page. And you're going to be able to see a button into the top bar called Edit with Elementor. This one right here. Click on it. The Elementor editor gonna load. And here you're gonna be able to find the element. Into the left sidebar of menus, on widgets, you're gonna be able to see a search box. You're gonna type social, just like this, okay? We have testimonials and social icons. I'm gonna click and hold into social icons, drag and drop it right here, for example. And here we have 3 default social icons that you're gonna edit, okay? Let me just load the visualmodo.com website so I can copy the social icons from the footer. And let's start with Facebook. Let me click with the right button and copy the link. Go back to my site. Click on Facebook into the left sidebar of menus. We can click on the icon. We can change the icon in the case that you want, okay? There's no problems. There's a couple of icons to play with. We can use the official color or a custom color. And we can enter with the URL. If you click into this gear icon, you're gonna be able to edit, add a new follow, open into a new window, add some attribute. I'm gonna choose a custom color and I'm gonna copy the color of this separator here. Let me just copy this color. Let me go back to my Facebook. Here is the color. I changed the color. I used to change the colors of the icons to make the design match, okay, to make the design be equal. Let me do the same on Twitter. And the same on YouTube. We can change the secondary color in the case that you want as well. Then, let me apply the icons. Links placed. Now you can add more in the case that you want. Here are some social media icons that you can play with. As you can see, there are many and many icons. Let me choose this one. The Pinterest. Let me change the color. Just like this. I think 4 icons is enough. Now let's start editing. We can change the shape, just like this. It's up to you and to your site design, okay? I like the circle. You can change the columns and the alignment. I think this way is nice. Now we can go to style, change all the colors in the case that you wish, all by one, change the size according to your needs as well, spacings, and some hover effects. Okay, nice, right? After, all you have to do is publish your change and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!